just having breakfast here at our mountain resort, and we were just warned about this coffee being kind of strong. And the reason that it's pretty strong is because not only do they make it on site, but it's grown on site from that tree right there. And they made the coffee that we're gonna drink from the tree. It's so cool. Okay, here we are, our first morning at our jungle retreat. We just woke up. We're gonna go take a look around. You can hear the birds and the stream. It's so peaceful. And just beyond that pool, there is a wonderful little mountain stream. You can see there's our baby strawberry. Our Tuk-tuk. Let's go take a look at the stream there. Oh, I didn't see this last night.
Yeah, the eagle.
It was too dark when we came in. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, beautiful.
Look at this. Look at this one.
Oh, look. This one's perfect for my hair. Look. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. There is our retreat.
What's that dude?
Spider web?
A spider web?
Okay, you go. Oh, it's huge. It's up there.
Yeah. It's a room?
Eagle's Bar. Little infinity pool.
So this down there? Oh, natural pond.
Oh, look, another statue. Yeah. You see?
Wow. Oh.
Oh, natural pond. That's where we're gonna go swimming later. I'm so excited. Oh, just beautiful here. I feel like my soul is 10 years younger here.
Now look at this.
Yeah, look at these ones. Oh, that's incredible. Oh, the flowers are so pretty. There's so many different kinds. Whoa. There's another one. These ones haven't quite opened yet. And it rained last night, as one might expect in a rainforest, so it's just like very fresh and just, oh, the scent. I can't even describe. Anyway, then the little checkers.
Yeah, fish.
Oh my god, look! Oh! This is so beautiful!
Yeah, fish in the water.
Oh, there are baby fish in the water. And this is our own private jungle pool with the stream. I'm just gonna put the flower down. That we're gonna go swimming in later. Oh my god! This is the most beautiful thing. Oh yeah, there's the fishes. Not sure if you can see them, but oh. Wow. Yeah, I'm in sandals right now, so trying not to die. Oh. Look at this! Oh, Jesus. Hey, good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday morning, And today we were the only people there. Turn the music down. We're the only people there, which is kind of like our place the night before as well. It's the beautiful thing about being Sri Lanka in the shoulder season or kind of the off season. It's amazing. It's like you have everything to yourself. So it's wonderful. Apparently we're getting one other guest tonight, so it's going to be pretty crowded, but I think we'll make do. And we went and explored the mountain river stream right beside, like right on our property this morning already. And I saw a whole bunch of different jungle flowers in our garden there, and it was just incredible. And there's a little like natural swimming pool right in the mountain stream, so later on today, when we're super hot, we're gonna go take a dip in that. And our plans for right now, all beautiful scenery. Some scenery. We are just kind of going and doing in the true spirit of adventure. We're just going and adventuring now, and we're gonna kind of make our way to a really cool waterfall, but it's kind of far and I'm not sure if we'll make it. Oh, more dogs. Always dogs. Hi, Bowen.
Are you going?
Hi, Bowen. Everybody has such big smiles when they see us. It's awesome.
Yeah.
They're so happy to see us. So we're gonna make our way to Aberdeen Waterfall, and if we make it there, that'd be sweet. But if not, it doesn't really matter. We're just gonna go adventuring because later on this afternoon, with our retreat, we organized a private tour to go check out another waterfall, and I guess it's like 3 tiers and like a hike to the jungle, and we have a guide with us, so that's going to be epic. I would love to see 2 waterfalls because there's nothing better than rainforest waterfalls in the whole world, but we'll see how it goes. And right now, we're just going to go and explore. Talk to you later. Going down the mountain road, taking our little strawberries. Going down it very steep, don't really have any brakes.
Brakes, actually, we have a really good tuk-tuk.
We do have a really good tuk-tuk.
Like, they gave us something really great.
Oh man, look at these turns. Oh, Nelly. We are going straight up a mountain right now, trying to get to this waterfall, and it is crazy steep. If we stall, I am terrified that the brakes won't even hold us from rolling back.
The descent is going to be tough.
Beautiful, but yeah, sheer cliff.
You know what? We just have to be patient and
Yeah, for sure, dear. Let's just go slow. You're doing great. Just like this.
same on the way back. Let's just take it easy.
Absolutely. We're not in a hustle.
Yeah.
This is perfect. I like it just like this, because like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we don't want to break.
Oh, like that driveway is terrifying.
Well,
Look at these driveways.
it is, yeah.
Like, oh my god. Go straight down there.
Yeah, but there's no tuk-tuk that can go there.
No, you would never get a tuk-tuk out of here. Crazy. Okay, we're on the final road. So we have, unfortunately, 8.5 more kilometers on this road, but then we are at the waterfall, which I feel like not a lot of people are going to be at, given how hard it is to get to. So I hope it's worth it, but yeah, we're doing it. It's just, oh, these roads are, this is proper adventuring. With a tuk-tuk, they should not be on these roads.
No.
Like, just a reminder, there's 3 wheels, which means they tip super easy.
I know.
No, I'm talking to the camera. I'm talking to the folks at home.
Okay.
And we have like 2 horsepowers and not very good wheels. So, yeah. You're doing great, dear. Good.
And I'm stopping.
Okay, we just passed a bus on this like tiny road. I told you not to jinx it, dear.
Yep.
You're like, Luda's like, yeah, man, good thing there's no bus on this road because there's no way we'd be able to pass one. 5 minutes later, bus. Look, on the side of the road there's this beautiful waterfall kind of fountain that they've made. Wow. It's very pretty. A little aqueduct. And runs over the road. Into this beautiful little jungle river. Oh, this place is just so exotic. And then it just disappears into the jungle. Wow. So Ludo just had an amazing idea. We're at this beautiful stream. And we have these, they're not life straw, but they're water to go, filtered water that filter everything right down to viruses. And you can drink from anywhere, so we're going to fill up our water with this cool mountain spring water and drink that. Should be great. I'm going to try and not die here. Oh, he's going to go for it. Oh yeah! There you go! Ah. Okay. And there you have it. Put it in here. And voila! Hey, Bowen! And there goes my handsome boy, filling up his. While I make sure that the tuk-tuk doesn't roll back down that.
This is gonna be...
Yeah. Holy God! Okay. Still alive. Still alive. We've got our Buddhist blessing keeping us safe.
Yeah.
I have my little Buddhist safety blessing. Keep us safe for exactly
Oh my
these
gosh,
occasions.
that one is ridiculous.
Yeah, it is.
That one is insane.
So we're doing a series of mountain switchbacks right now on this road to get to the waterfall, and like they are proper switchback. Ludo's just honking to warn in case someone's coming because you can't see, and we can't slow down because we'll never make it up. Okay, good job, dear. Another one coming. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you're right. Like, there is no way we could stop here.
No, we can't stop. We'll roll backwards and die. I don't think our brakes will hold us.
You mean... Yeah.
Good job, dear.
What?
Good job.
Oh.
Enjoy.
Wow. Strawberry's gonna work hard.
Strawberry's definitely working hard. So are you, I know. Okay, we are here. We are at the Aberdeen Waterfall. That was the most intense drive ever. It was about an hour just to make it like 10 kilometers up that mountain road. It was crazy. Ludo did such an amazing job. But we're here now, so we're gonna go check it out. So we're walking down the waterfall, and there's just these, thankfully, these cement steps that they have just paved all the way down. I don't know if you can see it in the jungle. Oh my god, there's a leech on my camera. I already hate this. There's a leech on the camera. I don't know if I'm gonna put that in the video or not, where I just panicked because there was a leech that jumped from the leaf onto the GoPro. Sorry, Action 4. Oh my goodness, that's deep. Hang on, folks. Oh god. Okay, getting sketchy. Very sketchy. Very sketchy. Okay. Okay, back on the stairs. So yeah, we totally forgot to bring salt, because one thing we read, which is very true, it looks like, is that in the rainforest, not in the water, but in the rainforest, it's covered with these leeches, and they're on the leaves of stuff, and they just jump at you, and they're on you like instantly. They're like, yeah. So now we are in the jungle, as you can see. And we will be probably covered in leeches, and this makes me not happy. Because we're never gonna have to pick them off. We had on our list to bring salt, and we forgot to get it and bring it. So stay tuned for more on that front.
All right.
It was a leaf.
What? A leech? Okay.
No, it was a leaf, but I thought it was a leaf.
Oh, okay. We have PTSD from the leeches. After thousands of steps, I don't know, a lot of leeches battle. Here we are at this beautiful Aberdeen Waterfall. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see.
It is stunning. How tall do you think it is here?
I want to say 200 meters.
200 meters?
Sorry for the fit people, I can't convert in that. But it is amazing. It's worth it. After again thousands of steps, and our legs are shaking at the moment we're talking. Yeah, my legs are shaking a bit. But with the trail running experience, I guess we got to do it, and now we're gonna just enjoy the moment. And again, it's been amazing. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
I believe that's some sort of pill bug. He's like, is it safe?
Yeah, is it safe? Oh, not yet.
Oh, he's spinning around. Oh, look, he's running. Okay, little guy. We won't bother you.
He knows it. Alright, so we are done our super hike to the Aberdeen Waterfall with 755 steps down and 756 steps up. It was a really difficult hike, but it was really worth it, and hopefully we'll have the chance to share some of the pictures and videos from it. So I did all the driving to go to the waterfall, and we are taking turns just because it's fun, and also because also you know, we want to enjoy the tuk-tuk experience. And now we are making our way down or up on these really steep and narrow roads. Woo!
Not so bad. It's not no cars coming.
So actually the roads, like Kara said, aren't that bad as long as we are alone on it. Whoa, shit.
Oh my god.
Oh gosh. Okay. You want me to go down? I'll go down. Oh
my god.
Oh. How are you?
Oh, that was stressful.
Jeez.
That's what I'm talking about on this corner.
That's what we're talking about, indeed. Oh, okay. I will. It's fun to talk about it, but stress level is high.
Watch out, bird!
So we'll talk to you later. All right, we are still. Oh my gosh! Look at that view. Beautiful view. Beautiful view. Still on the way down from Aberdeen Falls. It was amazing. I don't know if you can see, but it is only mid-afternoon and it's getting super dark. It is getting super dark and it looks like we're heading towards heavy rains. All right, back from our Aberdeen Waterfalls adventure, and now it's pouring rain, so I'm not sure you can hear me. It is pouring rain. There is water on both sides. I guess we could put the covers, but it's too late. It's raining a lot. Good. Whoa! Oh. We have swimsuits on, so it's all good. Oh. Oh.
Wow. This is a proper storm. Holy.
Wow. Oh my. That's how much rain we have. Oh. Wow.
Oh, we're gonna get so fast.
Oh. Yeah, it got splashed a bit.
And after a day of crumbling mountain passages and jumping jungle leeches and legions of stairs and violent mid-afternoon tempests, we made our way back to Moksha, our beautiful jungle retreat, and just enjoyed an afternoon and an evening of tranquility. And I think we've said it before, but traveling, in the off season, it was just a remarkable thing that you just really can't experience any other way. We wouldn't have been able to do half the things that we did if it was during the tourist season. All of these places would have been packed, but instead it was like our own private sanctuary.